my god, it's an uber rare! What is up, everybody? GX, also known as GameX Megas Battle Video. Today we're playing Battle Cats. I'm very excited. Korea. Attack, yes. I mean, that's the only option I have. Attack the enemy base. How do I do that? Battle Cats. That's like how to produce a cat. You need money. Not real, duh. I love that how they were like, it's not real money, duh. Okay, let me do it. There we go. We put down a kitty. Look at this unit. Look at the troop. Look at his feet. Something right. Oh, that's lag. Let's spotted another. Okay. Alright. Oh, my wallet went up. We're almost at the base. One died. More cat. More cattage. Okay. Okay. There we go! Victory! Nice! Cool! Cat food? Very epic. I got a ticket. Very epic. Okay. No. Cool. What? All I did was wanna. Could some. Open the door. I'm coming in there. Let me in. Let me in! Fine. What's this? No. Missions incomplete. I don't need this. I know how to look. Upgrade, yes. Tank cat. No. Okay. Look at his mouth. Upgrade the power of the range. Let's just upgrade our basic cat. Yeah, true. Store? What's in the store? Oh, we can use our cat food, okay. Start. What? Okay. Let's just do the next level. It's a pillow fort. We're fighting Mongola. Yeah, I know what that is. I wanted to save up money for this tank cat. Oh, now there's a snake. Don't worry, take. This is just 8-11. Wow. Hit him with that neck of yours. Headshot. Head chop, literally. I am lagging. I'm gonna have to go like fix that. They didn't know the cannon range. We're annihilating their base. Yeah, take out the blanket. The pillow, whatever. Take it out. You know what? Fire the cat cannon for fun. Cool. Yeah. Alright, nice. So I guess we just go again. Oh wait, we got more EXP. So let's upgrade special cats. Cool. Let's go to China. Oh, it's a big map. How do I zoom out? Is there a way I can zoom out? I don't know. Trying every single button I have. Is there a zoom out function? You would think that the scroll wheel would be zoom in and out, but I guess not. Whoa. A tank cat. It's more like a wall, honestly. Look at that dude walk. Look at him walk. You're telling me that's how? Okay, fine. I'm really gonna have to go fix that. This is still very easy. Hey guys, wait for me. I want to help too. And I'll be there in just a sec. Don't destroy the base without me. Headshot. I think he was actually the one to end it. That's hilarious. There's a new cat? Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, what's a new cat? Axe cat. Okay, also hold on. Special cats, the cat god. Cool. Let me just upgrade an axe. I still have that. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna just. Alright, we're back. We are double back. Let's go to Foul Land or whatever. Yes, I do. I don't need help now, but thank you for looking obviously on me. 200 for the axe cat. My god. They drive a bargain for these cats. I mean, they don't just grow on trees, you know. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, there's more coming. We can handle this, right? Because I'm saving up for Axe Cat. Just hold on and Axe Cat. Don't worry, Axe Cat is here to save the day. Why are there just random stickmen? Honestly, I feel like we have this in the bag. That's how we roll! Ooh, EXP. EXP. Do I get that? Okay, I guess I don't. Upgrade. Let's upgrade our normal cat, because, you know, it's the basic cat that we use. Then, there. Can I... Cool. Let's go again. Cambodia. I don't know half of these places. Put out the cat. We are losing. Wait, that means I could use my cannon on them. Never mind, I think we got this. No cat cam required. Dang it. Actually, I think I can go hit him from here. Well, that was satisfying. Don't worry, Axe Cat is here to help. There's nothing you guys can do. You guys lost. Smiles of children. How do you get that? That's really something that shouldn't be obtainable, but okay. To the Philippines or whatever. They have banana. I like banana. Cat. Hi God, how are you doing today? Stop lagging. Oh my God. Fire. Fire the cannon. You're a pathetic tower. Come on, luck. Yes! Okay, we're on our way. This is easy. And we have one. New cat. Let's go. Special ninja cat. How am I supposed to give it the cat food? I want it, but I can't get. Wait, missions. Yes. Okay. Hold on. Now I have enough cat food for the ninja. Yes. Upgrade him. Okay, the organize menu has been unlocked. Equip. Oh, you can have 2 pages. Okay. Special cats. Put the ninja in. Oh, he's also 200. Okay. Japan. How many levels have we been? Hold on, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, this is the 7th level. Isn't that part of my quest? I have to beat Japan. Oh, they have a lot more HP than me. I might have to go call on you, God. But I won't let you down. I'm saving up for the ninja. I wonder why their base has so much more than mine. I'll have to look into something. Ninja on his way! Look at him go! He's stealth running. Oh, he's already here. Good job. What is that? What? There's a hippo. Why? God? Why? I have to deal with a hippo now? Are you crazy? I'm just a cat. This is gonna, this is gonna end great. That hippo. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take him on. God, can you do something? 3. I think I might need it. Okay, do your thing, God. Wow. Wow, that's a lot of cats. You're gonna give me all those? Very epic. 1 minute. Oh, I'm max. Get and there's no cooldown. Get everything. You have to defeat the hippo. Imagine if I just didn't needed this and I literally just wasted my 1 free use. That would suck. This is probably the case, but I felt like I needed it. And it's also for dramatic effect, you know. And I still have my cannon as backup, so I ain't that worried. I want more ninja. We haven't even knocked back the hippo. Oh, there goes our tank. Uh-oh. This is not looking good. I'm out of cat food too, so I can't even do anything about it. Oh, we killed him! We killed him! Yes! I'll run out of time on our baby thing. I'm gonna spawn one more ninja for the occasion. Did I do it? No? Okay. I don't think I'm gonna, be able to spawn him. Well, I think we won this now. Victory! Cat Seeker. New win stage. Cat capsule machine. User rank. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot. What? Ooh. 1 gold ticket. EXP. Speed up. Whatever that is. Oh, event capsules, okay. Oh, so that's what I need that for. Okay, give me something good, game. I mean, I guess that's pretty good from my standpoint right now. Yeah, that's pretty decent. Alright, let's use our rare cat capsule. Ooh, look at this. Let's do it. Give me something good, game. What is that? Rare! What is that? Wheel cat? I was right. Is it? Yes. So that's the only gold one I have, so now I have to go to the basic capsule. Alright, give me something good that isn't a wheel. Because I don't think a wheel is that good. Dun dun dun! How is that new? Yes, I guess. What was the point of that? I literally got nothing good out of that besides EXP. Alright, let's check out our missions then. Ooh, cat food. Tasty. Alright, let's upgrade. Ooh, nope. Gross cat. How gross can it be? Power range. Charge efficiency. Yes, I need that. Wallet. Okay. Try to get everything to level 2 here. Or, like, to level 3. Health. More. Research. More. 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 Cats. I'm gonna have that. Ooh. Can I upgrade anything else? I can upgrade Gross Cat once. You're welcome. Now we go into equip. And put in Gross Cat. Gross Cat. I don't know why you're so gross, but they say you're gross. And let's put in the wheel. Okay. Wow, that's expensive. Maybe it is good. I don't know. Here we go, Australia! Flicking? Is there a different... Or I could do that. Do I have to flick? Tell me I can't do... Fine. I'll flick. You told me I could do it like that? Nah, it doesn't look that good. Okay. I need to put down a cat for a die. Ooh, look at that income! Now I have more health. Let's go. $150 off of one level up. Nice. We got this in the bag. I want the gross cat. I want to know what's gross about it. You know, every cat is made differently. You can't say that's gross. I mean, that dude doesn't have an eye. What's so gross? Cool. Ooh, laser. Fun. That hit everyone. What do you mean that's a one target thing? Ooh, now I can get the wheel cat. I'll have to save up for that as well. He literally attacks with a giant leg. Dude. Okay, there you go. Why are you just standing like that? Who stands like that? Wheel cat to the rescue if I can get the money. Wheel cat to the... Wow, why is he big? Big cat. Wheel cat, what can you do? Okay, cool. Ooh, 4. Wheel cat pretty good, not gonna lie. We got this. Nice. Alright, let's do the missions. Claim. I have cat food. Cat food for days. What should I do with this XP? Let's just upgrade our cat. Once, apparently. Alright, ooh, speed up. I'll take it. This probably makes it so that the battle goes by faster. Oh, and I can, like, toggle it. Okay. It's already on, though, so I would just leave it. How big is this map? Oh my god. Can I zoom out, please? How do I do it? Help. Not what I want. Never mind, I guess. Go ninja. Go ninja. Another ninja. Okay, that's awesome. Ooh, that's better than what I was. Ooh, I think we have the same amount of health. Yeah, we do. Dude, it's going by so fast. What is that? It's like the public. If they get across the line, I'm gonna burn them. Which they are, so goodbye. I also get money for killing, so that's great. Wheel cat saves the day. kind of reminds me of a Ferris wheel. Can I have another? Thank you. A real cat. Look at how fast it. Oh, we won. GG. New cat. How many cats? Special cat. Sumo cat. Okay. I don't have. What? Okay, sure. Ninja cat upgrade. We upgrade our ninjas, you know, because when you ninja, you ninja. What's this? Meow medals. I don't know what these are. Cool. What else do we got? We got cat guide. Do I got cat food for that? Cat food? Cat food? Yes. Give me more cat food. More cat food. Wheel. Now I'm at 90 cat food. Very epic. Wait, there's still something in here. Okay. I don't want to buy the gold pass though. I'm rank 15 or 50. Are you kidding me? That's low numbers. Those are for babies. Speed up. The battle begins indeed, my little friend. Here we go. Oh, it's not that big. What is that? Why is there a board? Excuse me. What? No. I already had to fight a hippo. What is this? Well, I mean, we're holding a... Okay, that was a lot easier than the hippo. A lot easier than the hippo. Ooh. 1 leadership. Nice. How do I get more of these? India. I think we're gonna go end it there. If you guys want more Battle Cats, make sure you like and subscribe. Also, what is this Wildcat Slots? Tap the spin. Gambling. 7. Let's go. I'm rich. Probably. Wow. Bonus spin. Yes. Why is that? Why? Thing broke. Cool! Yay! Wait, I can get the sumo cat. Hold on, I can get the sumo cat. This video ain't over yet. This video ain't over yet. Do not click off. This video is not over yet. Sumo cat. Yes. Upgrade sumo cat. I need to see this guy in action. Before we go, I just need to see him in action. Sumo. $200 for a sumo? Are you kidding me? Because a man, in the description said tank cat said size doesn't matter, and he took it literally. Does that mean he's just gonna be small? What? You know what? I'm not the base designer. You do what you want. Alright, Sumo Cat, you ready to do this? Sumo! What kind of walk is that? You know what? I'm not gonna question it. He's like, I'm coming for you. No, you ain't. I'm coming for you. No, you ain't. I'm coming to you. Okay. Welcome to the team, Sumo Cat. Actually, I might go for a bit longer. I don't know. I'm having a lot of fun. Sumo Cat with the annihilation on the base. Hippo! I'm here for revenge. I forgot, I didn't level up my pig. I was waiting to get the cat wheel, but no. Wait, there's two! There's two hippos! We need more sumoids! I can do it this time. I believe in myself. Yeah, you keep doing that walk. You might walk the walk, but can you talk the talk, hippo? Or actually, I can walk the walk, but can he talk the talk? Let's see. Oh, that's already a dead sumo. I'm starting to be concerned because the others are like meat shielding. I need the wheel cat. Yes, now hit them. Thank you. Or die immediately. Oh, this is not looking good. This is not looking good. I need a wheel. Okay, now we have no units. We actually can't get wheel right now. Everyone else is just behind Sumo. Bruh. Once the hippos step in, I'm gonna blast them. Once the hippos are in, I'm gonna blast them. Blast them. Only 200. Now we're focusing on Sumo. That's good. Ow. Come on. Okay, no. That's one. Wheel cat? We need you. I call upon you, wheel cat. Wheel cat. No, still both cat. No. There we go! Woo! We did it. We beat 2. That's right, 2. Nothing can stand in the way of my wheel cat. Dead. Nice. That is how we do it. Do it. Do it. Cat get. Oh yeah, we need to go and get the cat food from Sumo. Little Sumo. Yeah, you do that walk. Epic. Well, I hope you guys had enjoyed the video. Next time we'll hopefully get a better. Yes. Actually, hold on. Come on. Something good. We can get something good out of this. What is that? Rare. Which cat? Okay. Rare. Gardener cat. Super rare. Nerd cat. First of all, that's cat abuse. Second of all, whoa! I'm so glad I did this. Shaman cat. How are these all rare? That looks like something basic. Stilts cat. Caveman cat. Am I right? Jurassic cat. Wait, I already have you. You're the shaman. Aw. Let's change you to EXP then. Well, actually, no. If I use it, I can power him up. Toaster cat. Super! Okay, sure. Cat toaster. Gardener cat again. That's fine. We still have plenty. I don't know how many we opened, but we're right next to the end. Yes. Just use now. I don't even care. Just use it now. Woo! Lucky! And that was the last one too. Alright, use all. Yes. Yes! Let's go! We're set for next stage. We have new super rare and uber super rare. So let's just go equip those two. That's gonna be fun. Alright, then we have the rare. Wait, no. Wait, yes. No. Yes. Yes. Let's go to our super rare. Nerd cat. Oh, that's pretty expensive. Let's get the cat toaster. Yes. Yes. The cat toaster is... The cat toaster. Toast your cats whenever you want. No. Special... No, it's rare. It's rare. It's rare. Let's put in, Witch cat instead of axe cat. And gardener cat, because that sounds fun, and replace it with gross cat. Yeah. Now that is a team I can't wait to see out there. And more importantly, hold on, I need to go upgrade my base so that I can... You know, I'm not gonna question it and no. Efficiency. Wallet, yes, that's what I need. Whew. Well, I hope you guys had enjoyed the video. We got pretty lucky this episode. We will see y'all next time. Peace, you guys. See ya. Bye-bye.